very good morning to Principal Ma'am, Headmaster Sir, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we have gathered here on this virtual platform to celebrate the occasion of Eid ul-Fitr. It's a good thing to let prayer be the first engagement in the morning and last in the evening. To seek Almighty's blessings, I would like to call upon Shankar Chatterjee of class 7A for the morning prayer.
Good morning, everyone. Please join your hands for the prayer. Our Father, who is in heaven, holy is your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Thank you, Shankar. To remember our duties towards our nation, I would like to call Ayan Sheikh of class 6D to lead us in taking the pledge.
Morning, everyone. Let's take the pledge on the occasion of Eid ul-Fitr. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I'm proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Ayan. To remain positive throughout the day, Nishika Jaiswal of class 7E shall enlighten us with thought for the day.
Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is life is a collection of changes. So don't avoid changes. Take every change as a challenge. Some give success and some act as a stepping stone to success. Thank you.
Thank you, Nishika. Now I would like to call upon Ikra Sultana of class 9B to enlighten us about Eid ul-Fitr.
Good morning, everyone present in the meeting. Today, I'm here to deliver a short speech on Eid ul-Fitr. Eid ul-Fitr is a Muslim holiday that marks the end of Ramadan, the Islamic holy month of fasting. Eid is an Arabic word meaning festivity, while Fitr means to break fasting. And so, the holiday symbolizes the breaking of the fasting period. It is celebrated after the end of the Islamic month of Ramadan on the first day of Shawwal. Eid ul-Fitr is sometimes also known as the smaller Eid as compared to the Eid al-Adha that lasts 3 days following the Hajj and is casually referred to as the greater Eid. At the end of Ramadan, every Muslim is required to pay Zakat al-Fitr, a special fast-breaking act as a token of thankfulness to God for having enabled him or her to observe the obligatory fast. Typically on the day of Al-Eid, Muslims generally greet each other, have a small breakfast before attending a Eid prayer that is performed in the congregation at mosques, open areas like fields or squares. The period of Eid ul-Fitr is a time for reflection and starting afresh, a time to rejoice with family and friends, as well as a time for remembering those who are less privileged individuals in our society. It's a time to count our blessings while also giving charity to those in need. Thank you all for your time and patience, and Eid Mubarak to everyone.
Thank you, Ikra. Now, the school choir will present a song befitting the occasion.
मालिक तेरे बंदे हम ऐसे हो हमारे करम नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम का सूरज छुपा जा रहा है तेरी रोशनी में जो दम तू अमावस को कर दे पूनम नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम जब जुल्मों का हो सामना तब तू ही हमें थामना वो बुराई करे हम भलाई भरे नहीं बदलेगी वो कामना बढ़ो के प्यार का हर कदम और मीठे बैर का ये भरम नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम
That was a beautiful performance. Thank you, school choir. Thank you everyone for joining in this virtual celebration of Eid ul Fitr.